What's up guys, how are you all? Today we're gonna do a night drive with a Volkswagen Tiguan TDS. It's top line model. So let's go, enjoy the view, and please like, share and comment if you like the video. Let's go. Yes, I would like to do the 0 to 100 test on this enormous vehicle, but I can't do so because I'm driving in a campus, and on campus the speed limit is also 40. I wouldn't drive at 40, I'll drive more than 40, but there aren't big enough roads where I can push this car up to 100. If it was a Lambo or a supercar with a bigger engine or a better engine, then it would definitely be possible, but not on Volkswagen. Maybe if it was Virtus, there was a slight, just a pinpointed chance, but not on Tiguan, man. We've turned on the flashlights. Let's go. I'll rev it, but don't worry about that. I won't stop revving the car. Too many speed breakers here. There's an auto in front of us, man. To be honest, I'm too scared of these electric auto drivers because in India they don't have appropriate training for driving on the roads, and I've seen many crashes in which these guys just take the U-turn blindly. So I tend to drive slowly when driving behind them. What happened to him? The guy was staring at me. I don't know why. The car's overall stability is pretty excellent. I would say that. The steering control is also a bit good, but when we compare it to other Volkswagen models like Volkswagen Tiguan or more prominently Volkswagen Virtus GT, its top line model, then it becomes a bit faded away because those cars have way better steering wheel than this. But it's in terms of mileage, in terms of see this, in terms of pickup, this car in its segment is best. Its competitors are Skoda Kushaq, Vitara Brezza and Hyundai Creta, and I believe it's better than all of those three cars when we compare them on an overall measurable scale. Let's go to the sports complex. Yep. Oh shit, I remember that this road was under construction. I hope so that it's done now, otherwise I'll have to take another U-turn. Oh nope, we're at luck today. The construction is completed. Oh, a firecracker just burst. Did you guys see that? I don't know if it was visible on the camera or not, but a firecracker just bursted up in the sky. The sky was wide opened up. Let's go to this area. What is happening here? Actually, I'm not that good of a driver currently. I don't know how to, adjust the distance of the car on the left side, because I'm saying left side because in Asian countries like India and China, and even Japan and East Asian countries, the driver's seat is on the right instead of left. That is the case with American and European countries. So I'll have to adjust the distance on left side, but I don't know how to do it. So I prefer to drive in the middle of the road. That's why currently. Oh Jesus, Indian roads, man. Let's rev the car a little bit. Yeah, that's how we do it. Oh man, I got scared for this fucking dog's life. Sports complex, it's closed now. I can't go to the gym.